Welcome to US Window Brokers. Today we're going to show you how to measure a window so you can get a quote from us. Here's the bottom line. When it comes to measuring for windows, you always want to measure from drywall to drywall on the inside of the house and from the sill to the top of the drywall. You can't go wrong with that measurement. You can always make a small window fit in a bigger hole, but you cannot make a bigger window fit into a small hole. So I'm going to go ahead and measure this window out so you can see basically how I'm going to do this. First of all, let me just tell you this. This window here is a slider window. So we're going to measure from drywall to drywall like we talked about. This window measures exactly 71 inches. So what I would do is I would request a window that is 70 and a half. Something to consider. This is actually probably a 6-foot window when it was put in here by the builder. But keep in mind, the drywall wasn't in there, nor was the siding on the outside. So this is the important part about custom windows. You want to have a window that fits in this opening and from drywall to drywall. Now we're going to measure top and down. And here we have exactly 58 3/4. So I would go ahead and request a measurement for 58 and 1/8, or even 58 1/4. You want to leave a little bit of wiggle room in these so that if you end up with this opening that's at a square, that window fits. It's critical. Just remember, a smaller window will always fit into a bigger hole, but a big window will not fit into a smaller opening. Thanks for joining us, and see us on our next video.